Hi, this is Purvi, and today we are going to talk about different variations in lunges. Lunges are compound movements that work basically on your lower body, and they're the best exercises for your quadriceps, hamstrings, and your buttocks. Lunges are great to achieve super healthy legs, toned legs, and strong legs. Let us have a look at the different variations that you can do at a beginner level if you have been doing basic lunges for quite some time. The stance for a lunge can be either at your waist level, or you may even place your hands right in front of your chest. In a forward lunge, your legs are alternatively coming in the forward direction, and you have to make sure that your knees are not crossing your toes. Frontal view of a forward lunge. In a reverse lunge, your legs are alternatively going behind, that is in the backward direction, and the basic still remains the same. Your knees do not cross your toes. This is the frontal view of a reverse lunge. In the diagonal lunge, your feet are moving in the diagonal direction. The difference between a forward lunge and a diagonal lunge is just that your body twists slightly diagonally every time you perform a lunge. Curtsy lunge is a lunge where your feet is moving behind but diagonally. It's great to feel that burn on the sides of your hips. Frontal view of a curtsy lunge. As you can see, my legs are moving behind but in a diagonal direction. Lunge and twists are performed with a sumo stance, and every time you move to either directions, you turn your feet in the respective direction. Walking lunges are great to test your balancing power, and you can do this in both frontal direction as well as reverse. You can walk back in the reverse direction if you find it easy enough to balance in this position. Uneven lunges, where your forward foot is placed on a height, which enables you to achieve that balance which is perfectly required for a Bulgarian split squat. As you saw, this was the part 1 of lunge variation. Tomorrow I'll be back with part 2, where we will see lunges with combination movements that also work on your other muscles. So keep watching, share and subscribe to my channel Purvi Panchal. Thank you.